Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl once again, Mabel in Hamburg. So lovelies, as you can tell from the title, it's my first Hermes Birkin 25 unboxing. Oh my goodness, like I am really happy to share this with you guys. This wasn't really planned at all. Like I'm gonna show you guys footage of when I collected this in store, and it wasn't planned at all. Like Birkin was not even on my wish list, and I had a wish list for Kelly 28 in gold, and yeah, so Birkin was just, you know, not on my wish list at all. And yes, so I decided to go with a white paper bag, and yeah, just because, you know, MS bag just kind of scream all eyes on me and all of that. So I think this is more better, neutral, and yeah, so no one knows what you're carrying. And so what I have here is the receipt. So everything I got that day, the receipt and all of that. And yes, this is the receipt. So we go. Yes. Yeah, we have the orange box. Voila. Oopsie. Okay. Here we go. Oh my goodness, here we have her in this beautiful MS bag, and yes, you know, pillow, and this is the care instruction booklet, and also rain protection for the bag, and this is 2 rain protection, really good. And yeah, so that's everything in the back.
Yeah, I lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now.
Yeah, this is the new baby.
I've lost you, I keep on looking for you.
Hermes Birkin 25 in Togo leather, trench bougainvillea. The color is called trench bougainvillea. And so the kind of surprising thing about this Birkin 25 is this is a bicolor, like 2 color, you know. This is the trench color inside. Let me show you guys the surprise bougainvillea. You know, this flower bougainvillea color on the inside, and oh my goodness, really beautiful, like exceptional. So on the inside we have the key pouch here.
But I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you.
Medium artwork. So it's 2 different color, trench and bougainvillea, like really beautiful color. Like bougainvillea is a flower, like, you know, that flower that surrounds the house. Really beautiful flower, and so that's their inspiration for the color.
Game that I will lose, there's no zipping past it.
It's really beautiful with the palladium artwork. Went to the store, and yeah, so just to check some of the new things, and also because I haven't seen my essay for a while. And yeah, so when I got there, so I just asked if there is anything on my wish list that's available now. And yeah, so she just kind of take a look, and she also introduced this beautiful boot to me. This kind of cowgirl boots, and really beautiful. She brought them out for me to try, and yes, so really comfy. And so I just kind of like, okay, just see if you have anything from my wish list. And also I'm interested in the Kelly to go wallet. You can call it Kelly to go or Kelly to go wallet. And she said okay, she's gonna check. And then she went inside, and then she came back with a box. So definitely I wasn't expecting that it's gonna be a bag. So when she opened the box, like, I was just kind of like surprised. Like, you guys need to see my reaction, because I wasn't expecting a bag. If I was even expecting a bag, it was not even the Birkin 25, because this is very hard to get. I was just kind of surprised. So one thing that also got me kind of in shock was also the color. You guys know I love neutral, and this is a neutral color, but I am so into the Hermes gold, you know, the camel. If you're new to Hermes, you can call it a camel bag. So I was into that, like everything, you know. I have a constant that I got summer this year, constant to go, that I got summer this year, also in gold color, and so funny. So, and then I said, okay, let me just hold the bag, and she gave me the bag, and then I hold the bag, and she was like, Mabel, I have another surprise for you. I thought maybe she's going inside to bring another one so I can choose from the color. And then she opened the inside. Like, when she opened this inside, I was just kind of dumbfounded. I was just kind of, okay. And then I asked her, do you still have And then she said, okay. She went back in, but she came with nothing. So definitely I knew there was a Birkin or a Kelly, I don't know. There was definitely something in stock. Maybe it was reserved for someone already, and because she really spent few minutes there, and maybe those bags were reserved for someone, I don't know. So she came and she said, no, Mabel, I'm sorry, there was no other Birkin or Kelly. And yes, so I decided to go for this because this is really beautiful. Like, I really love this twilly, and this twilly kind of have the gold, cream color, blue, green, and also the color inside the bag. You know, you still have it around here, and I just kind of love this twilly. And when she put this twilly on, that was when everything was so perfect for me. And she's like, Mabel, let's try with a charm. And then she brought this beautiful charm as well. Immediately in store, I messaged my friend, and she was like, Mabel, get this bag. Like, this color is really beautiful. Like, you weren't even expecting this. Like, she just wanted to surprise you. Maybe it's because of your birthday. My birthday is coming soon, November 27th, and she's like, oh, Mabel, please get this color. This is a beautiful neutral, and it's two color, and really gonna love it and enjoy this bag. So I just asked her to keep it back, you know. When I went home, I messaged my other friend, like, she's really into Hermes and luxury as well. And then I'm just like, Sherry, look at what happened to me today. And she's like, Mabel, please don't wait till 3 days, just go back and collect the bag. And then the next morning I went to the store, and I'm like, yes. So that was it. So this is the charm she brought. So I just asked her to put the twilly on because I don't know if I will get it right. Box this. This is how. So this is how she looks like. Really beautiful. Like, the stamp is there, you know, Hermes Paris, made in France. Like, really beautiful. Yeah, this is a baby, like, you know, a baby Birkin, you know. And yes, so for this beautiful baby Birkin, I'm going to be doing a naming ceremony for her. So her name is Baby Sandy, and yes, so this is our new baby Sandy. So beautiful, like adorable. This is beautiful. Like I'm still kind of in.
Now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold. Is it really a bad reception out there? Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, yeah, I lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now.